Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to change your Facebook profile picture by without notifying everyone. And this trick almost works for all Android mobile devices including iOS iPhone also, because this Facebook application settings are common for all devices. So anyway, let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your Facebook mobile application and then click to log in your account details. So now in this homepage section, you can press this horizontal 3 lines icon and it is placed at almost top of right side corner. So here you can press see your profile option and it is placed followed by your profile name. And this is one of my Facebook profile picture. At same time, I try to change this old profile picture to new one. So by simply press this camera icon, and one pop-up window is opening. So here you can choose select profile picture option and the fourth one. So now my mobile gallery is opening. So here you can choose your favorite one. And it shows preview of my favorite image file. So if you want to add any effects within this image file, just use this edit option. So otherwise, you can click to save these changes by simply press this save option. So and then it starts to uploading. So finally this image is successfully uploaded and my Facebook profile picture is changed to new one. But how to stop this profile picture change notification? So just scroll down and then go to your timeline section. But my timeline section shows Theta Box updated his profile picture. So I did not like this notification. So just press this horizontal 3 dot icon and then go to edit privacy. So here you can press see more option and then select only me option and the final one. So once you select this option, your Facebook friends does not get any profile picture change notification messages. So at same time, you can change this privacy settings within a few seconds after your profile picture is changed to new one. So this is the way you can easily change your Facebook profile picture by without notifying your Facebook friends. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.